In this video, I'm going to show you how to link to another page in Notion. Let's get started. After successfully logging in into your Notion account and being able to access the homepage, what you want to do is you want to go to an exact page, and to do that, you want to go to the left-hand side on the navigation panel, and either under Private or Team Spaces, go ahead to your exact page. Now, within the tasks section that I have in here, the task page, I want to go to the very bottom and add a specific link to another page. To do that, you just want to click on a blank space and then type on /. It will show the commands, but what you want to type is link to page. You will see that it is the first block. Now what you want to do is you want to click on link to page, and then you want to select a page within the workspace itself. Let's say I want to do a welcome to Notion, and then if you actually click on this, it will take you to that exact page. Let's say I want to add another one, just click on a blank space, add, link to page, and then let's say I want to link them to the project section, and if they just click on it, it will take them within the project section. And that's about it. That's how to link to another page in Notion. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.